Okay guys, so we got this Ford Escape here, and their complaint is that the dome light stays on and it says door ajar. So we'll hook our scan tool up, we'll look to see what door it says is ajar, and they want it fixed. Oh, let's see, where's our key? Here's our key. Let's see if it says ajar. Yep, see, it says ajar. So I'm going to fire up the scan tool real quick and I'll get it ID'd, and then we'll go into the anti-theft and see what our issue is. Okay guys, so we're going to go to system selection. I think it's a gem module. Oh wait, one. Okay, so we're going to go to read data stream, and then it should have, I guess we can look at the alarm events. Actually, alarm events probably won't help because I don't think they said the alarm is going off. We'll just look at the ajar status, driver. Let's see, passenger. I think there's a driver rear. No. Left rear door. Let's see, is there a right rear door? Right rear door. Is there a hatch? I don't know what they do for the hatch. Lift gate ajar. Right rear door, look at that. We're going to the rear door. It's all muddy and wet today. Let's see. It's not changing on my sand tool. So, let's see if we got a wire issue. I'm going to trip the door. I'm going to quick trip the door latch with a screwdriver, and then we'll check the harness in here. But I have a feeling that it might be a harness. This wire is pretty tight. But usually I don't see harness issues on these. Usually it's the latch assembly in there. Okay guys, I've printed out a diagram, but my printer's so cold it doesn't want to print right. But we got this right rear door right here, right rear door. So we want the pink and the light blue right here, which comes down to the black. So I think this is in a normally closed position. It's grounded. So I think if we should be able to get to the pink and light blue right here, use like our Phil's probe, and then what we'll do is we'll just ground it right to the door right here, or to the seat, something metal. And then our thing should change. Okay guys, so I pierced the pink and blue wire right there, and then I'm on the black and white right here. So the black and white is our ground right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this lead and we'll just connect it in here, and then we'll connect it to our probe right here, see if we stay ajar, and if our ground's good, this should change. Look at that, closed. So now we know 100% our issue is inside this door. So I'll take this door panel off real quick, because you can see if I disconnect it, now it says ajar. If I connect it back up, closed. Disconnect it, ajar, and you can hear the car beep. So look at that. On 2 Phil's probes and a jumper wire. You can do this without it, but these just make it easier. So I'll get this door panel off and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I got the door apart. Somebody was already in here because this was just flopping when I took this off. And also, look at some of these pins. They're all pushed over because they didn't push the panel on straight. So what we can do is we can take our probe back out. Let's see. Can we? Maybe. Might have to use 2 hands to take these out. Yeah, we're gonna have to use 2 hands. So I'm gonna move them over to here and we'll test right here. Okay guys, so we moved our probes. Look at this. Here it beat. Now it says closed. Take it open. So it's ajar. So look at that. So now our only thing left to do is inspect this connector. But I've seen a couple of these modules fail back here. Okay guys, so I just disconnected all this stuff. I can't get the switch out, or the connector off, because I forgot you gotta take like all this stuff out. I want to make sure I can get one first, because last time I had one of these I couldn't get one. Like the dealership had it listed for like 400 or 500 bucks. It was something outrageous, and they couldn't get one in. I don't remember what year it was, but yeah, it just turned into a mess, and I couldn't find any used. I could only get the driver's side front. Driver's side front was everywhere, but none of the other doors were anywhere. So I'm waiting to hear back from the junkyard and from the parts stores to see if anybody has one of these. Okay guys, so we got the new actuator sitting here, and if we trip the latch right here, just gotta trip the latch, and our light should go out in here.
Did that fit?
Let's see, lights out. Are we plugged in all the way? Yeah. Okay, lights out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on this handle right here, and our latch will unspring. So let's see if our light goes on. There it went. Boom. On. Latch is unsprung. So I can get this latch put in here, and then we'll double check and make sure everything's working. Okay guys, so the light's on. I'll close the door. Door's closed. Probably take a couple seconds for our light to go out. Probably doesn't help that the keys are in the ignition. And then there it goes. So now I'll open the door. Look at that. So now I get this panel put on, get everything put back. Okay guys, closing the door. Let's see, let's start this up. This thing sounds lovely, by the way. So there we go, no more ajar. We'll open up this back door. Look at that. You can see it. There we go. We fixed it. Hope you guys like it. See you later.